It's somebody Mpumelelo. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, and comment it. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really do appreciate you guys. But anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. What Spindi did to Snare, it was just out of line. It was unfair, honey. I do understand it. That Usne winking. Go at this time. This time was right, honey. This time Usne was right for the first time. So for those who don't know what happened, so Usne just asked a question concerning Uvuyokase no Tirelo. So izinganezesthembu season 2 episode 8. So they were sitting in a table and having a dinner. So for those who don't know, they're currently in Sun City, including Vuyokase and Tirelo. The worst matter with Tirelo even brought her son. I mean, I don't even see the reason why she did that, because Vuyokase was just alone. She could have just came alone. I mean, we all seen in the video where Usbindi was just playing with her son. I mean, even if Mpumelelo wanted to have time with you guys, I would really make sure that you're not going there, honey. So Usne asked this question, that do you think that Uvuyokase and Tirelo are okay? I go spindi wamtata Usne, and Usne was just quiet. I mean, she didn't even know what to say anymore in front of her friends. I mean, the whole crew, Mseleko, honey, abo Mpume, abo Lwandle, abo Ngwe, as well as Mpilo, honey, even in front of Vuyokase and Tirelo, honey. I Usbindi wamtata. It shows that Usbindi does not respect Usne. I mean, he does not even see Usne as a firstborn. One thing about Usbindi, think he is the one that is I think is the one. I mean, he think he is the man that he is. I mean, he thinks he's a firstborn. So, honey, and people just felt like Usne needs to mind her own business. But for me, I mean, being a big sister, I mean, she was just so concerned about Vuyokase with Tirelo, because you do understand that Tirelo and Vuyokase, whenever they are together, they're always fighting for Spindy's attention, because yeah, honey, dating a same man is not easy, honey, especially if you guys end up being in the same situation where you guys don't know where the other person is acting somehow. So anyway, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think Usne should have mind her own business and not involving herself because of whatever it is? But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Wednesday. God bless you.